for intranet, it's important for you to invest in the right network switching, okay, and also the right cabling. Okay, why I say that is because even if you have a 800 Mbps internet speed, but if your router can only support up to 100 Mbps, you will forever have 100 Mbps. Yeah, we call this throttling lah. So your network switching and your routers within your factory need to first be able to support up to gigabyte speed lah if you want to go 800 Mbps. So there are network switch that are up to 1 GPS or gigabyte per second. So if you invest in that switch, then you should be fine. Yeah. For cabling, usually for industrial cables, usually we use shielded cables. So that's where you have those type of Cat 6 or Cat 7 cablings. Those are the you know the Ethernet cables. You have to look for those Cat 6 or Cat 7 spec. Those are shielded cables, so you will ensure no interference. Yeah. Usually for any industrial network, we always advise wired connections unless your data that you collect is not so critical. So not so critical, then some companies, they will use like wireless connection. And we have seen some people do that, just that they use like more like mesh networks. Yeah, they call it wireless mesh. So some companies do that, but we usually say that you try to go wired if you can. But I think because the cost of infrastructure for wired is more expensive. And if it's not it's not very time-sensitive data, wireless still okay. Like let's say, for example, like OEE data, you don't collect it every second, but maybe you collect it every hour or half an hour, then it's fine.